Works. All right, let's go. Okay, so tech update. Okay, so recently Canon shared a link for Canon's first interchangeable RF mount lens for stereoscopic video capture all the way up to 8K. So basically, it's a single lens swap to allow you to change from traditional photography to stereoscopic 3D. So it's basically aimed at content creators. Internally, the footage is recorded to a single frame sensor, which is quite important because it allows you to skip a lot of time in post stitching footage together. So I think given its compact nature, options like this could open up possibilities. Whoa, this is where I'm going to be off with the timing. Possibilities for directors, producers, for box office VR shows, for example, to get closer into the action, allowing more immersive storytelling. Okay, so this is the one I tried to do with animation and stuff. I think the timing's, I also have to go manually on this one. Okay, so Autify. All right, let's have a look at Autify. So a startup that's getting attention in AI-driven automation. They've just completed Series A funding to the tune of 10 million. They're a no-code web application that allows anyone to easily create, execute, and automate software test scenarios like program knowledge or automation skills. So the key features are it allows cross-browser simultaneous multi-device testing. Not that that's special, but the next one is. So they've got auto repair with AI. So it detects changes in the source code, and the UI automatically corrects the test scenario for every run. And it's also got a visual regression based, again, on AI. So as the development speeds up, UI changes become more frequent. Autify's visual regression automatically detects those changes and runs the test without maintenance. So one for our QA team to keep an eye on. Okay, so ADA. So previously we've seen how AI is replacing our developers. Now we've seen how it's replacing our testers, and it looks like our creative team is not safe either. So yeah, this is Ada. She recently needed help from the British ambassador to escape her 10-day custody ordeal with the Egyptian authorities as she was traveling there for an event. Apparently they thought she was a secret agent. I guess the name's Ada. Anyway, Ada is the world's first ultra-realistic artist. She draws using cameras mounted in her eyes, paired with AI algorithms and driving her robotic arm. Kind of reminds me of one of Upin's zebra sculpts. So she's capable of all sorts of art. Okay, so next up, we have on the Windows Insiders build today, Microsoft, or maybe it was yesterday, released the Windows subsystem for Android, allowing access to Amazon's Android App Store. So it can run traditional apps like Kindle, shown here, but it can also run games. So once installed, the apps appear inside the Windows Start menu, and as you'd expect, things like the physical keyboard translate into the apps. So it's perhaps not interesting for traditional desktop PC users, but for portable Windows machines with touch input, finally users can have apps designed as they would expect, like an iPad style app. That's all I got this week. Thank you. Yeah, I think I need to work on the timings for DaVinci Resolve.
Oh, good. All good. Thank you. I like the testing one.
I thought you liked DaVinci Resolve.
I love it, but I need to give myself more time.